The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through.
Hello, my name is Kylie. This is my husband Karl, our older boy Kyson, and younger Kellen. We have 50 days this summer all together before Karl heads back to complete medical school. This is our 50 days of summer. Hey guys! I'm starting another vlog. It's July 17th. I've been sitting at this desk for a few hours now. I'm doing some online classes, but my little notebook that I take notes in on all these online classes is almost full, and it's almost lunchtime. So I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna all head out and find some food. So excited to have a little break off of that computer. So here we go.
So we have been borrowing my gracious in-law's car and have not cleaned it yet. So today is car cleaning day. Oh, can you take that? Because I want you to hold it and help me out. Bring it up here. Pull, 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 pull. Get him! Okay, clean.
Okie dokie. Hair, simple makeup, done. Need to go change out of these comfy leggings. Go find some real clothes. Here we go. I just came upstairs and I looked out the window and I found him underneath the tramp.
I see all the stuff in our tummy.
You ate all the stuff in your tummies?
I'm going for the
Kyson, what are these called? What are they called?
I don't know.
Otter Pop?
Pops.
Good job.
Okay, let's go inside.
I'm excited to go run some errands.
Can you go show mommy what you were doing this morning?
I love your guys' color combo right now. Yeah, the blue and the yellow. It's so cute.
Gold, babe.
Sorry, blue and gold.
Mommy wants to see what you're doing.
Going up.
What? Show me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What? Were you here with him, or did he do it without you here?
Okay, watch. Karl will come up with you. Here we go.
This is crazy. This is crazy. Should we do the trust fall?
You want to fall off backwards to mommy?
I'll catch you. I'll catch you, I promise. That's crazy. I remember when I did this as a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okie dokie. One errand down. 45 to go.
Hi. How's she go with those stars?
Cuties.
No. I use it. Ow!
Did Kellen steal that from you?
Yeah, bring it.
Don't use your hands.
Hello everyone! It is July 19th. Today I'm having breakfast with some family and then I'm off to like a professional women's round table for the first time. Just as like a guest, and I'm super excited about it, but I don't know, like whenever I go to these things I'm always the youngest and I never know if I should vlog any of it or not, because some of it is and some of it's like not appropriate and I don't want to be that like young millennial bringing my camera everywhere. So I don't really know how much we'll be able to film, so I'll do my best and we'll go from there.
Well, just dropped the camera. Hopefully it's all good. It seems to be in good working condition. But today we're in Roy, Utah. There's an Air Force base here. My grandpa served as a helicopter pilot in Vietnam. Retired here at Hill Air Force Base. That's why my mom's family's here. So yeah, today we decided we would come and take a look at all the airplanes here. What do you think, Kyson?
Look at this tire was stuck.
Is that his tire?
Yeah, was stuck.
And Kyson loves it. So we're gonna go ahead and take a walk around. We'll get a few shots on the way.
Hey guys, so we did some rock climbing. I'll throw in some pictures. It was super fun. And now I am just showered and got ready to go to that professional women's little lunch table thing. And I decided I'm just gonna leave the camera here. So, just finished getting ready. I love this jewelry. Isn't that so cute? I love it. Anyway, and this is what I decided to wear because, like I said, I'm usually the youngest at these things, and sometimes I dress a little bit overly professional, and I'm like, what the heck, this is what I want to wear, so this is what I'm wearing. Believe it or not, Levi jeans again. Free People slip-ons, this fun little top, and then my Apple Watch with a leather band.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through, and every step quicker than the last. My feet
Hey, where's the
tread
airplanes?
down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through.
I'm coming.
Cause I get up, and I may fall.
Hey guys, so it's later on. The women's like professional business thingy-bobber was really fun. I loved being able to meet new people, and my grandma spoke and gave like a little inspirational / her life and business and tips and whatnot. And it was really cool. Karl and the kids are heading back. I'm so excited for them to get back here. I miss them. And then I'm going to go see a play that my cousin's in tonight. I'm so excited about it. So yeah, we'll journey on with the day.
What do we see?
With every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep.
Yeah, gray and green. I don't know what that one is. Wait. Where are we at? The planes? Yeah. Should we go find some lunch? Okay. Let's go see if there's a movie.
Look who made it home! Hi! Wanna come this way, Kellen? Give mommy a hug. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on. And Kyson's home too. Oh, I love these guys. Oh, kiss my face. Kiss my face right here. Oh, thank you.
Kiss your hair.
Oh, kiss my hair. Thank you. Yay! How cute is that? How cute are you guys? Hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. What are you doing? Whoa! Don't climb on the edge. Go in the middle.
Yep.
Go.
Keep going.
Hi!
Hi.
Are you climbing?
Yeah, I got.
Good job. You're almost to the top.
Wow.
You're doing so good. Can you get up in the loft?
Okay, I'm high.
You're very high. Hey, babe.
Hey.
I do stuff.
Oh my goodness. Good job. Climb up in the loft. Wow. That's so cool. You did it. Yay! High five, dude. You did it. That was awesome. Do I get a high five? Do I get a high five? Yeah.
I'm just